Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you the 5 best iOS emulators for Windows. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand that there is no full iOS emulator for Windows like Android emulators. Most tools are cloud-based or designed for developers, but they still let you simulate iPhone or iPad environments. Now, let's look at the best options. First up is Appetize.io. Appetize.io is one of the most popular browser-based iOS emulators. You don't need to install anything. You can run iOS apps directly in your browser, which makes it perfect for testing apps, demos, and quick previews. It's simple, fast, and widely used by developers. Next is SmartFace. SmartFace is more advanced and designed for developers. It offers tools for app testing, debugging, and device simulation. If you're building or testing apps professionally, this is one of the best options available. Third is Corellium. Corellium is a high-end platform that provides virtual iOS devices. It's mainly used by security researchers and advanced developers. It allows deep system testing and performance analysis, but it's not really meant for casual users. Fourth on the list is Lambda Test. Lambda Test offers cloud-based iOS simulators that run in your browser. You can test apps, websites, and user interfaces on virtual iPhones and iPads without installing anything. It's very useful for developers and testers who want quick access to multiple devices. And last is Sauce Labs. Sauce Labs is another trusted cloud platform for iOS testing. It provides accurate device simulations, automation tools, and reliable performance. It's widely used for UI testing and cross-device compatibility checks. Now, here's something important. These tools are mainly for testing and simulation. They are not designed for gaming or running iOS apps, like a real iPhone. So if you're looking to just use iPhone apps on Windows, there is no perfect solution yet. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.